Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more Litchi based mocktail. The Litchi mocktail is Litchi Melon Mafia mocktail. How to make the Litchi Melon Mafia? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. After that, you have to pour 180 ml of Litchi juice. Okay. Then you have to squeeze on lemon. After that, you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Very simple mocktail. Just you take a glass and pour all the ingredients into the glass. Then you have to pour 20 ml of watermelon syrup from the top of the. That's it. 20 ml of watermelon syrup. Then simply you have to pour Coke on the top of the glass, so that three layer will be produced. Slowly you have to pour. This is the. Then you can garnish with some lime slices and some. See here, fancy mocktail is Litchi. This is the Litchi Melon Mafia mocktail. You can try. I hope you like this mocktail. Very fancy mocktail. You can try. It will be nice. Thank you very much for watching my video.